So the first thing that I wanted to ask you is data types. So, this is sort of, we are now sort of getting started with learning Python, and every language has some data types, right? So are you aware of some basic data types that you have worked with? Anybody can answer that question.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, what are they?
So numeric, varchar, alphanumeric.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly. I think numbers, right? You have come across numbers as a data type. So in Python there are also some basic data types, and 3 is basically an integer data type. You have float data types. You also have what we call as complex numbers, right? We don't use complex numbers in AI as much, but Python allows you to use complex numbers. And then Python has strings, right? Strings are always in these quotes, and you have booleans, right? True or false, right? So you can, these are sort of the basic data types.